project idea was born as a natural evolution of our previous product, which was operating in the rail industry, overlooking the overhead line monitoring, and add some extra instrumentation, and the camera was part of it. And then we had another product which was called Smart Bags, starting from the roof of the train, where the sensor are placed there, and then to the bogies and the axle boxes. And that's how the idea of trains with brains was born. So the idea is very simply trying to use the best of the self-learning, future-proof sensor technology to ensure that we can get the best and the most out of the monitoring system, which appears to be working as though having brains, very intelligent, self-learning, future-proof. Project development of this caliber is always risk mitigation, and as a small SME, we didn't have much resources to carry on and implement the project on our own. Therefore, the grant route was an obvious solution, and I always comment that there is no better scheme than offered by Innovate UK, who are prepared to support bright ideas. The entire project value was still smaller than one single dewirement, which we actively prevent on almost monthly basis, and that is very high level of return of the funds to the UK PLC. The first of a kind competition was very successful. We delivered fully working system, we installed that system on the running trains, we extracted data, we proven viability of the project, which is now ready for deployment in the wider scale. Regarding our future plans and dream are that the system will prove very fundamental in further growth of the company as an international business.